Hi students, today I am going to speak about two big updates for ICSE and CBSE board exam which have published yesterday in Times of India. The news is the syllabus for the class 10 and 12 board exam of 2021 is likely to be reduced further by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE and Council for the Indian School Certificate Exam CICSE as the COVID-19 situation took set to persist and cast a shadow over next year's exam. The class 10 and 12 board exam dates may also be shifted 45 to 60 days to make up for the academic losses due to pandemic. CBSE and CISE along with various state education boards like Telangana and Gujarat have already reduced the academic load for the 2021 class 10 and 12 exam by up to 30%. However, with the schools remaining closed and classes held only via online distance mode, officials of both the boards say there could be a need to further reduce the syllabus. A senior CBSE official said no decision has been taken by the board yet. Please note, a senior CBSE official said no decision have been taken by the board yet, but added post 30% reduction in July, there has been no normal classes, and if the situation continues like this, there is likelihood of further reduction of the syllabus for the board exam. The board will take a call soon whether the exam are to be conducted based on 70% or 50% of the syllabus. The chief executive CICSE said, given the present scenario, there is a possibility of further reduction of the syllabus, though one cannot say right now to what extent it could be slashed for the 2021 exam. The standards for online classes vary from school to school or from urban to semi-urban and rural areas, and therefore we are expecting some physical classes to happen before the exam. We will have to wait for it to happen and review the situation. Therefore, in all likelihood, the board exam may have to be shifted to April or beyond to accommodate classroom teaching and completion of the syllabus. I repeat this. Therefore, in all likelihood, the board exam may have to be shifted to April or beyond to accommodate classroom teaching and completion of the syllabus. Schools are also asking us to defer the dates as well as reduce the syllabus by 50%, said the CBSE official. Another challenge would be to conduct the exam with COVID-19 protocol and social distancing. He said both the national boards are now waiting for some directives from the Ministry of Education before taking a final call. We are waiting for some direction whether the academic year will be extended so that the syllabus can be completed. Then the exam will have to be shifted probably to May or even later. I repeat this, we are waiting for some direction whether the academic year will be extended so that the syllabus can be completed. Then the exam will have to be shifted probably to May or even later, said the chief said Atherton. Both the CBSE and CICSE usually conduct the board exam in February-March. Apart from disrupting classes, the pandemic impacted this year's board exam and those of universities and colleges besides competitive tests. In fact, the CBSE and CICSE could not complete 2020 board exam and students were given marks based on revised assessment schemes for the remaining paper. And this is the big update. So please follow my channel and get update for ICSE and CBSE board exam.